Hey guys, Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Grade 4 Module 5 Lesson 28 homework. So let's get started. Number 1. A group of students measured the lengths of their shoes. The measurements are shown in the table. Make a line plot to display the data. Alright, so first, let's kind of look over the points. I'm going to make the number line part. So, our lowest whole number is 7. So, that's gonna be my first mark here. And I'm gonna make the middle 8 and the end 9. Because even though there's no 9s here, I still want my end number to be bigger than the other numbers. And now I'm gonna split each part in half. So this is 7 1/2. And this is 8 1/2. And now split each whole into quarters. So 7 1/4, 7 3/4, 8 1/4, 8 3/4. Alright, so now let's start plotting. 8 1/2, that'll be right here. 7 3/4, 7 1/2, 7 3/4, 8, 8 1/2, 7 3/4, 8 3/4. Alright, so this is our line plot. Let's go number 2. Solve each problem. So who has a shoe length 1 inch longer than Dixon's? Alright, so he is 7 3/4. So 1 inch longer, well, I'll do it here. 7, that's just 7 3/4 plus 1 inch. We don't change the fraction at all, we're just adding 1 to the whole number. So that's 8 3/4. So now we look here, who has 8 3/4? Mary does. So our answer would be Mary. And now B, who has a shoe length 1 inch shorter than Susan's? Susan's is 8 1/2. So 1 inch shorter is 8 1/2 minus 1. You're not touching the fraction at all, you're just doing the whole number. So that's 7 1/2. So who has 7 1/2? Ben does. So our answer would be Ben. Alright, next page. C. How many quarter inches long is Martha's shoe length? Alright, so we have to go back. 7 3/4. So quarters means fourths. So it's asking how many fourths are in 7 3/4. So what we're doing here is we're changing 7 3/4 into an improper fraction. So remember, 7 is 7 wholes times 4/4, because each whole is 4/4, which would be 28/4. Remember about this 3/4, so plus 3/4, you get 31/4. That means 31 quarter inches. Alright, now D. What is the difference in inches between Leah's and Martha's shoe lengths? See, Lilia's is 8 and Martha is 7 3/4. So difference, we're subtracting. 8 minus 7 3/4. 8 minus 7 is 1. So now it's 1 minus 3/4, which would be 1/4. So 1/4 is our answer. E, compare the shoe length of Ben and Francis using greater than, less than, or equal to. See, Ben and Francis. Ben is 7 1/2. Francis is 7 3/4. So 7 1/2, 7 3/4. Well, 7 1/2 is 1/2, like the 1/2, but 7 3/4. So we can 1/2 is equal to 1/2, but 3/4 is greater than 1/2, because 3 plus 3 is 6, which is greater than 4. So 7 3/4 is greater. F. How many students had shoes that measured less than 8? Alright, well, we have 1. Or no, not 1. Oh my god, less than 8, not more than 8. So here's 1, 2, 3. Now this is 8, but is 8 less than 8? No, 8 is equal to 8, so that doesn't count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 students. Now, how many students measured the length of their shoes? So how many people answered in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 students. Now, H. Mr. Jones' shoe length was 25 inches. Use greater than, less than, or equal to. Compare the length of Mr. Jones' shoe to the length of the longest student's shoe length. Who had the longest shoe? Longest student's shoe length is that 8 3/4, which was Mary. So 25 halves and 8 3/4. Well, let's convert 25 halves into a mixed number. 25, let's see, 24 is the next number lower than that, because this is an odd number, so the lower number must be an even number. So 2 times 12 is 24. So 25 minus 24 would be 1, so we get 1/2 remaining. That means 25 halves is 12 1/2. And 12 is way greater than 8, so 25 halves wins. Means Mr. Jones had the longer shoe. And number 3. Use the information on the table and on the line plot. Write a question you could solve by using the line plot and solve. Let's see, we can say, based on this line plot, see, you guys can come with your own one, but I'm gonna see how many more students measured, let's see, then those or measure, let's see, or 8. So solving 7 3/4, I decided how many more students measured 7 3/4 or 8 1/2 inches than those who measured 8 3/4 or 8. Alright, so that's 3 plus 2, which is 5, minus 1 plus 1 is 2. So that's 3 students. What's the difference? Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!